Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to hard reset a JBL Link portable smart speaker. To hard reset a JBL Link portable smart speaker, you have to follow some steps. First you have to ensure the JBL Link portable speaker is turned on. After that you have to find the mute button on the speaker. It is usually represented by a microphone icon with a slash through it. After finding the mute button, you have to press and hold the mute button for about 15 seconds. Then you should see the light on the speaker flash or changes, indicating that the reset process has started. Once the light indicates the reset has started, release the button. After the reset is complete, turn on the speaker to ensure that reset is successful and issue you are facing with JBL Link portable speaker has been fixed. If you want to know more detail about the JBL Link portable smart speaker, I'll give you the link in the description. You can go from that link, and if you want to buy the product, you can buy from that link. Hopefully this video help you to hard reset your JBL Link portable speaker. Thanks for watching.